Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Dr. Mohsen from KFUIT Rahim Yar Khan. Today we are going to discuss again the variable rate technology, where we will discuss the variable rate application components, sensors, so the positioning, map based, soil or plant sensor based, pressure, flow, ground speed, controller and actuators. Sensor for variable rate application, soil and plant sensors. It can be used for soil organic matter content, use light reflecting of the soil. Darker soil tend to have more organic matter, soil moisture content, light reflectance or electrical resistance based sensor. Soil and plant sensors are for soil nutrient level, most important category. Few real-time sensors on the go could be very profitable. Sensor for variable rate application include pressure sensors, output electrical signal proportional to fluid pressure, used in fluid applicator system, used on some spray system, regulate spray pattern. Typical pressure sensor with metal diagram is presented here. So flow sensor measure quantity of fluid that moves through a pipe or hose per unit of time, can measure flow of slurries or clean liquids. Some measure volumetric flow rate, gallons per minute. Some measure mass flow rate, pounds per minute. Speed sensor, shaft speed sensor or tachometers measure rotational speed of a shaft, good for controlling speed of shaft, not good for true ground speed. Speed sensor, radar or ultrasonic speed sensor, more accurate if reflected from smooth surface, more common to find and use GNSS, but radar and other ground speed sensor common on older equipment 10 plus years. Variable rate controllers. So change application rate of product on the go, read sensor input, calculate product output, use algorithm, can be based on one or more variable, soil organic matter, soil texture, soil nutrient and the yield. Actuator response to signal from controller, regulate amount of material applied to field, respond to electrical signal, pneumatic signal, hydraulic signal. Response might be extend, retract, open or close, change speed, change position of a valve, change position of a gate. So here are the typical or the some diagrams of the actuators. Variable rate application technology can be categorized by type of product applied: seeds, dry chemicals, granular fertilizer, granular pesticide, limestone, or liquid chemical like liquid fertilizer or liquid pesticide. Variable seeding rate planter or drill can be made into variable rate seeders, independently adjust the speed of seed metering devices. Section control, automatic shutoff, downforce pressure, seed monitoring. The diagram of the precise application of seed is shown here. Dry chemical applicator, spinner spreader, usually only one product, boom spreaders, pneumatic, air spreader, signal or multiple products can be used. Liquid chemical applicator, field sprayer, provide adjustable product output rate, volume over time or gallon per minute, application rate affected by speed, boom height control based on canopy height or ultrasonic sensing. Issue to consider: chemical applicator assume preset rate is actually applied, calibration is necessary, may add to planting or harvesting type, estimated only 25 to 30% of applicators operating within 5% of target. Precision AG labeled farming by the foot. Farming by the foot implies treatment can be varied on a square foot basis. Most variable rate application equipment can not produce such high spatial resolution. For chemical applicators, special resolution product of lateral resolution, mean width, minimum width application can be varied over longitudinal resolution, minimum travel distance application can be varied over. And the issues also to be considered are as applied maps, very helpful for profit loss maps, compliance with environmental regulations, and the legal defense cannot change some factor in weather, rainfall, and temperature. These are some externalities. Issues to consider management. A farmer is not already good manager, variable rate application not going to produce good result. Future application of variable rate technology, planting, soil moisture sensing planter, tillage, conservation tillage system, raised permanent raised bed or other techniques, varying tillage depth, pest management, sensors that identify within field weeds, crop diagnosis, disease or nutrient deficiencies. Future needs include crop response model, testing of different crop management strategies before going to the field like DSAT and other water management or the hydrological models, WATH, SWAP. Standardization, manufacture standards made of component that works together without user modification. Thank you very much. If you have any question, so you can ask me by commenting on the this video, and the student of the class can ask me through the lecture on the Google Meet. Thank you very much.